July 5th, 2011, Phoenix, Arizona, 6:37 p.m. Monsoon's here. Violent, brief storms. This is the west. That's the south. Overhead, east. Oh, look. Aerosol spray. Wow. This is the north. There's the west. Looks really mean, don't they? Aerosol spray. In with real clouds. This ought to get pretty scary here pretty soon. Right now it's 104. 60% humidity. A few seconds later. Lots of aerosol spraying with these clouds. July 5th, 2011, 6:45 p.m. Phoenix, Arizona. Monsoon. Aerosol spray. Lots of aerosol spray. Hoping this brings rain. Still 103. Feels like somebody left the oven door open. That's north. Praying for rain. Clear in the south. North. There's the east. Good chance of rain tonight. Look at all the aerosol spray. Wow. Here comes the wind. Won't be long now. July 5th, 2011, 7:07 p.m. Phoenix, Arizona. Monsoon. No rain yet. Lots of nasty looking clouds. Aerosol spray mixed in there. 103 degrees. There is a breeze right now. We probably won't get any rain. Typical monsoon. You can see the aerosol spray there. Ugly looking skies. The only good thing is, 6 more months, it'll be cold. No, really, it'll be colder. It'll be nice in September. There are people who live here without air conditioning. Hard to believe. Looks bad, doesn't it? All clouds and wind, no punch. July 5th, Phoenix, Arizona. 2011, 7:15. Just want to show you the weird clouds. Monsoon, no rain. Clouds and blowing, that's all. It's cooled down to 100. Getting pink over there, it's where the sun sets. Real clouds and aerosol mixed in. The colors are coming. Sunset colors. Here comes the wind. It's almost bearable when the wind blows. Humidity 60%. That's pretty right there. This will be here until September. Then the winds will shift back, and right now they're coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. In September they shift, they will be coming out of the west. Arizona's monsoon season. (7:40 p.m.) Just like our politicians, a lot of hot air, nothing to back it up. No rain tonight. Sun is down.